122.9. That's actually. All right, everybody say hi to Jordan. This is a 2003 WRX here. Let's see how it does. 'Let's go for second place right now. Okay, this is Eduardo's 2016 WRX. '91 flat. Wait. This is Trevor's car. Let's see how Trevor does. Okay, this is Scott's Turbo Forester. Stay here for a couple more minutes. Here we go.
That was louder than the fucking blue car last year.
Oh, Mandy's 2006.
I know.
That GT good for you.
This one, it feels like I'm like.
Bro, that track
That's
last year
second
was
place.
nowhere near
That is a beautiful
I ain't playing those games.
All right, this is Kyle's 2003.
It's fun when I can run them 3 wide, but it's just so much work.
Uh, 92.1. Look at it.
Oh, God. That's by the wing.
Okay, here's Brian in the 2017 WRX. Wow, just 111.1.
I don't.
All
Me
ones.
either.
Clean out the one button.
I want to be able to hear.
This is March 2007. 114.6. 114.6. Oh, he just drove from PC. Good one, Connie. Okay, this is Nick's 08.
Hey, no, I'm an 08.
114 and a half, 114.5. It got going pretty good, but yeah, it didn't quite hit the volume. Nice. All right, this is Zach's 2005 Impreza, not non-turbo, yeah? Non-turbo? All right. Uh, 103.6. Project cars, folks. Good luck. I know the battle. 100 flat. Perfect. Okay, it's a long. Yeah. You ready? Countdown. 3, 2, 1. Here comes everybody. Win! Yeah!
No, he wasn't.
He wasn't supposed to race. We know what we're in for.
Yeah. I'm covered in.
Rick, you tired yet? This is just, we do this so that Rick will sleep well tonight.
Alright, I appreciate the enthusiasm, guys. Nice.
Yeah, this is Harrison's STI. What's the license plate? Hang on, Connor's tripping with this one. Says the butt.
Sounds better than my brother's
101. 101. Exhaust competition.
Round 2.
Oh no, he saw.
Straight bike. Alright.
Oh shit, oh god.
Whatever you want to do is hard, you can buy that.
If you are flying a drone, there is a 95 to 98% chance it will be shot out of the sky. I have this on video already. So if you are flying a drone at this time, please bring your drone safely back to the confines of the Earth. Thank you. We appreciate your understanding and cooperation. Again, if you are operating a drone, there is a high probability it will be intercepted by some high-velocity object which you don't want to encounter. Please simply let your drone come away. Thank you for understanding.
I don't think they can hear you.
Here's Evans WRX.
Oh boy. Water or oil? I don't know what it was.
110.0.
I got noted on.
Just your gunshot go off.
Here's Craig's 2013 big old front mount. 111.2. So we got a 100. I just got fired.
I'm back! All right, next up we've got Chris in a 2010 STI. But Connor's not quite ready yet. Hey, if you are flying the drone or you know the person flying the drone, that thing's about to get shot down.
No way.
Shoot it! Shoot it! Shoot the drone! Shoot the drone! Alright, we know drone shots are really cool, but they are very strict about that here, so we gotta make sure we keep things going smoothly.
It's still there.
Alright, so we got Chris,
shooting the drone would have been cool too.
It's still there. Alright, go ahead and hit it. So next up we've got Tyler in a 2002 WRX. Are we ready back there, Con? No, Con's dying. Ears blown out. All right, go ahead and hit it, man.
It landed on my lip.
99.9. Alrighty, guys. Alright, next up we have Hayden in a 2005 Impreza. Alright, you ready? Go ahead and hit it. Although I do think it was a little bit louder right here where I'm standing. That's where my eardrums a little bit. So let's give him a round of applause. That was definitely a good one.
Oh, it was two-stepping before. Oh, yeah.
Alright, right now we have an FRS in the lead. And that was the first car that came through. You think you can take him down? Because we got to keep it with the Subaru badge, right?
The meter.
He's my little way.
Alright, what's your name?
The Forester.
Alright, we got you down. We got Griffin and O2 WRX. Are you ready, sir? Alright, go ahead and hit it. 107.8. Alright, let's give the man a round of applause. Knock it on through. We want you to scream in Con's face as loud as you can. He's already deaf, so it doesn't really matter. Come on over. Come on over. If you think you want to take on this guy right here. He looks like he's got some pipes on him, man. He's probably gonna blow Con's eardrums out. Oh, what's your name? Chase. All right. Are you ready to get some here? All right, we got a couple more lining up here too. Let's pick them all. All right. What's your name, man?
I shot my Instagram.
Yeah, sure. Gino_Scoots. Is that right? All right, everyone make sure you go follow this dude on Instagram. He's rad. And then what's your name?
My name's Asher.
Asher, you got an Instagram you want to plug?
Nah.
Okay, this guy's low key. He's nice. All right, hey, what's your name, man? Matthew. All right, we got everyone ready? Ready, Chase? Shattered the glass. What? What? 33? What? Alright. You guys think you can match that? Yeah? Alright, who wants to go next? Who wants it? They all have to go at some point. 107.2, not quite gonna cut it. All right, bring it on, let's go.
Car noises. Yes. Ah! Get the turbo noises.
1264. All right, last one. 122.8 to this man right here. Probably louder than any one of you or your car. Yeah, we need to get something, I think. Yeah. All right, go back to the info booth with this man. He'll get you something for that because that was amazing. Thanks, everyone. All right, thank you guys. That's a wrap. That's a wrap.